Are you getting a no network connection error in CapCut even when your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you several easy ways to fix the CapCut network error. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try turning your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on again. After that, close CapCut completely from your recent apps and reopen it to refresh the connection. If the issue continues, open the CapCut app and go to your profile page. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, scroll down to Feedback and About. Then select Clear Cache. Confirm it to remove temporary app files. This can help fix loading and connection problems inside CapCut. Next, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. If none of those steps work, you can try offloading or reinstalling the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap on CapCut. Now tap on Offload At and confirm it again by tapping Offload App. This won't delete your data, but it can fix hidden glitches like network errors, captions not generating, or templates not loading. After that, reinstall CapCut and try to open it again after installing it. And if CapCut is still not connecting, the issue may be related to regional restrictions. In that case, you can try using a VPN and then reopen the app. And that's how to fix the no network connection error in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and troubleshooting tutorials.